Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at GreenShift's icon list block on WordPress. Alright, so this is a mini-series on GreenShift's blocks and taking a look at them individually. So to get started, let's go ahead and make a brand new blank page to focus on just this one block. So there's a couple ways to do it. If you've logged in using your admin username and password, you'll end up here on your dashboard. Simply just hover over to your left-hand sidebar, hover over Pages, and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're already logged in and you're already on your site, you'll have this top toolbar, hover over New, and click on Page. That's going to open up a brand new blank page for us and take us to the WordPress block editor. Alright, so once we're here, let's take care of some housekeeping things. So if this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button here beside the Publish button called Settings. Be sure to click that because this is where we will find our settings for the block we're about to adjust. Next, let's go ahead and give our page a name just to keep things organized. Icon lists test. And finally, let's go ahead and actually add the block to our page. So there's this blue button here with the plus icon. It's called a block inserter. Go ahead and click on that. We can search it from here, or we can scroll down to see GreenShift elements and look for it. And I don't think it's here. So let's scroll down a bit more and we will see extra elements. And oh no, actually I think it was up there. Where is it? Okay, sorry. It's over here. Icon list. Let's go ahead and drag and drop that over here. Okay. And let's press this X icon because it gives us a bit more space. And you can see the controls we have here. We have add new, move up and move down, add new, duplicate latest, and remove, and then copy styles and spacing and general design options. You can see text color, link color, so on and so forth. Let's add a few here. And you see this check one. We can move it up and down. We can go ahead and change the icon, right? So let's take a look at these one by one, and I want to make a contact list. So let's say address, number, email, and let's say country. All right. So we have these things, and you can see, again, we can move these up and down. We have our other options over here, but let's take this real simple. Let's go ahead and click on the icon and change it to, let's say, where's the house icon? Let's look for a house icon. And I'm probably going to fumble this a bit, trying to find it. If we can, maybe an anchor would be fine, like that's where we're based. Let's call it SX. Oop. Right. Phone number, so let's look for a telephone over here. I guess mobile number should be fine. Like a contact list, 555. Okay, and an email. Actually, that's fine. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and input this website assets@wa.com. Okay, and then country. We can click on this, and you can say United Kingdom. All right, so if that's all you wanted, you could be happy with that. If we wanted to change our contact details here, we can move them up and down where we want. So let's go ahead and take a look at our options here. We have classes here which let us add some effects and animations, but let's not worry about that. It's more of a customization thing. We have text tags here, div and li. We can change the current icon for what we're messing with. We can add links to these if we wanted to. You can change the link title, but really it's just here or this one, and then we can change we can add a link to this one if we wanted to. These are the global list options, so we can disable the icons, but where's the fun in that? We can also change the icon color, all right? The hover color for the icons. Okay, so when we're hovering over this, we know which one we're selecting, and that's actually looking pretty good right now. We can also change the icon size, the max width. I think I'm happy with that. Horizontal alignment, okay, vertical alignment. Place icon on the right if we wanted to. We can make it inline, such as this. That's actually pretty cool. We can add a box to the icons. We can change the icon padding, and then in this case, then I'll put it over here, and then we'll align it there. We can change the background color. We can change the hover background color. Oh, that makes it vanish. Yeah, that's much better. And we can turn them into columns. We can change how many columns we have, excuse me. We can make them inline, block, flex, and grid. That's actually looking much better. We can also change the height and the gap and the row gap and the vertical alignment. Oh, it's looking very nice. Typography, text color. Let's just make it black so it's easy to see. Hover color, links color. Hover color, actually, let's make it red. Oh, that's for links, excuse me. There we go. And you can change the font weight and the decoration for this. Item list background, watch this. Okay. We can insert a background image. We can change the spacing, which is just margin and padding. Same with this. We can add a border to everything if we wanted to. We can change the shape as well. We can add a shadow if we wanted to. Again, customization options. We can add a background to this whole thing if we wanted to change more spacing, add more borders to it, and add a shadow to the whole thing. Next, we can finally add an animation if we wanted to. And everything else here is just your usual interaction layers, hard positioning, responsiveness to hide in desktop, tablet, mobile, and additional CSS classes. Okay, so once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at it on our live site. Okay, with that done publishing and it's saved, let's go ahead and click on View Site. And now we have our icon list here with our details live on the site, even with an animation customized to our liking. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.